Hello, I am Dill Pickle 122 and I'm here with a Mega Cougar 68 Wisdom and my friend Acronic. I don't know how to say it, but he's here with me too. We are at the battlefield of the Mondo Chick. He's almost dead and dropped such good loot. Well, he still got one. He's past half health. He's back in action. Mondo Chick might come for you. But the Mondo Chick is one of the best monsters for loot. The other two good monsters for loot are the Tunnel Bear and King Beetle and the Mondo Chick. Those are the three best. So if you need good loot, fight those three. King Beetle's in the blue flower field, right in there. Tunnel Bear's in that honey cover. You just jump down. And the Mondo Chick spawns out on the mountaintop. I will see you when I'm back from the Mondo Chick. And I'm in the safe zone. Oh yeah, the last time I made a video on Bee Swarm, I don't think I had the Windy Bee. But I do. Windy Bee! Yeah, you fight it and you could have it, just like the Vicious Bee. But whatever. Black Bear quest, what I'm doing, because, I really want that mythic egg. Huh? A friend want to be my friend? Period. I just do Quagmire, Quagmire. What did I just do? Yeah, that's what I said. Wisdom left because my phone died. I'm Wisdom. Revealed. I'm Wisdom. I think you knew that. That person's one thing better than Wisdom. Hey, get back here. And I said, he has more bees than Wisdom. Get him! Charge! You have tons of bitter berries. Oh my gosh, I never realized this. I have over 100,000 trees. Oh my gosh, I'm good. How many trees do I need to get this mess? Oh, I have enough trees. All I need was 9,999. I need 50. I need tons of oil and gold eggs. That's 2 gold eggs. How much oil do I have? I have that much oil? I did not know I had that much oil. I mean trees. I have more glitter than oil. Alright, I'm confused. Even more enzymes. Oh yeah, guys, I've gotten a purple potion today. And I'm down to my last super smoothie. And I have tons of marshmallow bees. But, hang on. Let me look at my hive. Let me see how much lion bee to get to level 10. Yo! I'm gonna get my second level 10 bee, guys! Yes! Lion bee's level 12! Oh, here's my next one I'm working on. I'm pretty sure it's diamond. Right? It's good. Gonna be good. What? Baby just leveled up today. I don't really know that many who could really level up. I know a few bees at 9. Not that many though. My weakest bee is probably that level 7 Frosty Bee gifted. If I give Frosty Bee that. Man, he ate all my treats. I have no more treats. Right now I have 5. I'm gonna waste all my strawberries on this floor. It went up that much. Dude, I'm trying to make these bees level good. Not level 2. No good bees. Yeah, I do have good bees, but no high level 9s. That just can. I think my house is diamond. Honey storm. Honey storm. Oh, I see a ticket. Ding. Trying to get all the honey. Trying to get all that honey. What? Jelly bean bugs. Oh, those things. Right. So, I don't know what to do. I've already taken down my king beetle, so I'm gonna check out Tunnel Bear. Tunnel Bear. And also, if you kill Tunnel Bear for the first time, he gives you a gifted star egg. 10 million honey. Oh, my guy spawns in 14 hours. Dang it. So I'm gonna get him tomorrow. Gummy Sprout. It's good for glues and gumdrops. Where? I need to find them. I need to find them. Where is the Gummy Sprout? Like, where's the Gummy Sprout? I can't see it anywhere. What's the Gummy Sprout? Gummy Sprout has beard. Where? Before I get all cranky at the Gummy Sprout, I'm just gonna do this. Please be Diamond Sprout, Debug Sprout, and it's a Rare Sprout. The 3 sprouts that I need is Diamond, Debug Sprout, and I also need the Gummy Sprout. Because I need glue to get the gummy mask and boots. And the boots are the most expensive item. They cost 100 billion honey. Yeah, you heard me. 100 billion. Yeah. This guy has a radioactive gummy bee. I'm not jealous of him. I'm too jealous. I've better bees than him. I'm a spicy bee, and I've tons of event bees. How many tickets do I have? 136 tickets. That could buy me 0 stingers. I'm joking. That could buy me. I already own a gummy bee. I know, but gummy bee wants gumdrops. Can I get on top of the ant challenge? I'm on top of the ant challenge without using the red cannon. I'm gonna glide down. Cub. I'm gonna get my My glue dispenser recharges in 2 hours. Open shop. Ingredients for the gummy mask. 250 glue, 100 enzymes, 100 oil, 100 glitter, and 5 billion honey for the gummy mask. I'm almost there. How many glues do I have? I have 84 glues, 41 glitter, 36 oil, and 43 enzymes. The gummy bears, not even close. 999 glue, 300 red extract, 300 blue extract, and 300 glitter. And after 100 billion honey. Why? Why, man? Why? Can you just make your products one honey and one everything? Then I could get it. Gummy bear? What's sweeter than honey? Glorious glum drops. They're just the shot. A sweet and sour ingredient race. Can't you see it too? What's that, gummy bee? They're not seeing clearly? You're always right. Goodbye, bee creeper. Ha! Oof. Oof, 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 oof. Not doing that. His nurse bee is a diamond bee, a music bee. He has a cobalt, crimson, photon, a fuzzy bee. He has a bumblebee. He has a 3 music shy. Actually, I was saying 4 music bees. Who needs 4 music bees? Apparently, him. He has 2 shy bees, but okay. I really need a baby bee. Hang on, let me see what baby bee does. I know he does, but I want to see what he looks like. Oh, it looks like the shy bee, but different. It's almost like the shy bee. Baby. First lingerie. Could we have those loot look? Yeah, I really need those loot look. Because if I destroy the slump snail with it, I can get good stuff. But I have spicy bee. Spicy bee. I'm missing 1 event bee, and that's Puppy. I have all the other event bees, except Puppy. And I almost have 1 billion honey. Guys, I will let you know when I have 1 billion honey. And I mean it. 1. This is it. The end of all players that I know. Well, I'm one of the only people I know that play Beast Mode. Whatever. I'm gonna hit a milestone. 1 billion honey. And he's second now. I will hit it. 1 billion. 1 billion. 1 billion. That's it for today's video. See you.